Hi guys, do you want to learn leather like me? Yeah? So let's go. Pink color, green color, blue color, orange color, purple color, gray color. A. A for ant. A for ant. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. E. E for egg. F. F for fairy. F. F for fairy. G. G for glass. G. G for glass. H. H for house. H. H for house. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kiwi. K. K for kiwi. L. L for lunch. L. L for lunch. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. Pink color, dark green color, brown color, light green color, orange color, blue sky color, dark blue color, yellow color, purple color, red color. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.